What if I told you there are places on our planet that look so alien, so otherworldly, that NASA actually uses them to train astronauts for Mars missions? Today, we're recounting down the top 5 real places on Earth that look like they belong on another planet entirely. Trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Number 5, Socotra Island, Yemen. Coming in at number 5, we have Socotra Island in Yemen. This isolated island has been cut off from the mainland for millions of years, creating what scientists call a Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. The dragon's blood trees here look like giant umbrellas from another world, with their bizarre umbrella-shaped canopies and blood red resin. Over 700 species found here exist nowhere else on Earth. The landscape is so alien that it has been called the most alien-looking place on our planet by National Geographic. But here's the crazy part. The trees bleed actual red resin that was once worth more than gold. Ancient civilizations believed this was actual dragon's blood. Walking through these forests feels like stepping onto the set of a sci-fi movie. Number 4, Atacama Desert, Chile. At number 4, the Atacama Desert in Chile, literally the driest place on Earth. Some weather stations here have never recorded rainfall, never. This Martian landscape is so similar to Mars that NASA tests their Mars rovers here. The soil is so sterile that scientists struggle to find any signs of life, just like on Mars. The landscape features salt flats, geysers, and mineral deposits that create colors you won't believe. Bright yellows, deep reds, and electric blues that look photoshopped but are 100% real. Here's what's mind-blowing. Some areas haven't seen rain for over 400 years. Yet somehow, life still finds a way with unique bacteria that survive in conditions more extreme than anything else on Earth. #3 Danakil Depression. Ethiopia number 3 will literally take your breath away. The Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, also known as Hell on Earth. This is one of the hottest places on our planet, with temperatures regularly hitting 125 degrees Fahrenheit, 52 degrees Celsius. The landscape looks like something from a volcanic alien world. Neon yellow sulfur fields, bright green acid pools, and salt formations that look like alien crystals. But here's the insane part. This place is actually below sea level and sits on 3 tectonic plates that are slowly pulling apart. You're literally standing on a place where the Earth is ripping itself apart. The Danakil volcano here has been erupting continuously for over 100 years, creating lava lakes that glow like alien beacons in the darkness. Local tribes call it the gateway to hell, and honestly, looking at these photos, can you blame them? Number 2, Zhangye, Danxia, China. At number 2, we have what looks like an alien rainbow planet. The Zhangye Danxia landforms in China, also called the Rainbow Mountains. These mountains look like they've been painted by some cosmic artist with a rainbow brush. Layers of red, yellow, orange, green, and blue rock create stripes that look completely unnatural. But here's the science. These colors formed over 24 million years from different minerals and sandstone layers compressed over time. The patterns are so geometric and perfect that many people think these photos are heavily edited or fake, but they're 100% real. The formations change color throughout the day as the sun moves, creating an ever-shifting alien landscape that looks like it belongs on a planet with multiple suns. Fun fact, these mountains inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Number 1, Salar to Uyuni, Bolivia, and finally, our number 1 most alien place on Earth, Salar to Uyuni in Bolivia, the world's largest salt flat. During dry season, this place looks like an endless white desert that stretches beyond the horizon, like standing on an alien ice planet. But here's where it gets absolutely mind-blowing. During rainy season, a thin layer of water creates the world's largest mirror, stretching over 4,000 square miles. Walking here feels like walking on clouds or floating in space. The sky above and below becomes identical, creating an illusion that you're suspended in an alternate dimension. But wait, it gets even more alien. This place contains 50 to 70% of the world's lithium reserves, the same element that powers our phones and electric cars. Beneath your feet lies a treasure worth billions, hidden under what looks like an alien landscape. NASA uses satellite images of Salar to Uyuni to calibrate their instruments because it is so perfectly flat and reflective. Literally, this place is so otherworldly that it helps us explore actual other worlds, the craziest part. During certain times of year, flamingos migrate here, creating pink dots across this alien mirror world, like something from a dream. So there you have 5 places on our own planet that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey to Earth's most alien places, smash that like button and subscribe for more incredible mysteries our planet has to offer. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.